A local case that made national headlines may soon change Kentucky law. Lawmakers are working on a bill that would better outline who gets out of jail and when.
Kylie Hill has a closer look at the effort named after a 6-year-old Woodford County boy. He was killed outside his home 10 years ago.
A home invasion in Woodford County in 2015 changed this family forever and took the life of 6-year-old Logan Tipton. Now, lawmakers say they're close to finishing a bill designed to change how Kentucky's justice system handles cases like this.
So I saw the story of the release of the monster that engaged in those horrific acts against the Tipton family, and it was gut-wrenching. It was devastating, but also it just showed that there was something deeply wrong with our justice system.
Logan Tipton was stabbed and killed inside his Versailles home about 10 years ago. Ronald Exantis was found not guilty by reason of insanity on the murder charge, but convicted on 3 assault counts for stabbing Logan's family that same night. State Representative TJ Roberts says that split verdict is one of the main reasons he's sponsoring Logan's law.
There can't be split. It has to be in conformity with each other. If it's all from the same indictment, it means that each charge is coming from the same course of action. You don't just go in and out of sanity versus insanity as you're on a killing spree.
Exantis served 10 years in prison before being released last fall on mandatory reentry supervision. The Kentucky Parole Board voted to keep him in prison. Not long after his release, Exantis was back in custody in Florida for failing to register as a convicted felon. Roberts says Logan's law would also end mandatory reentry supervision for people convicted in cases like this.
If the parole board said, I don't want these guys living in my community, then the everyday Kentuckian should not be forced to have these folks living in their community any sooner than they have to.
Exantis is now back in prison, serving out his sentence in Kentucky with an expected release date of August 5th of this year.
It's lit a fire under us that we're going to fight, and we're going to get laws changed. There's no reason for any of us to ever have to walk down the street and possibly see our son's murderer.
The Tipton family's motivated. They are fighting like crazy to make sure that Logan didn't die in vain, and we're going to make sure that happens. And we're going to make Kentucky a safer place in Logan's honor.
Robert says he hopes to file his bill soon. Kylie Hill, Fox 56 News.